What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today we are going to continue working on our tracker. It's going to be sick. So what are we going to do today? We're going to add the rest of our lights, and that should hopefully pretty much finish what we need to do so we can take this thing off-roading. So let's get started. Alrighty guys, just a quick notice before we get started. If you have not already, definitely head over to kingcustoms.com, check out the website, and if you guys are interested in supporting the channel and supporting your boy, definitely pick up some King Custom stickers. I do have more merchandise coming on the way. So with that out of the way and said, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here is one of the other lights. Well, we have two of these that are gonna go up on top of our light bar. So these are Alpina lights as well. And Alpina, I love your stuff. So if you want to sponsor this video, definitely sponsor us. I've been tagging you on everything on Instagram. But anyway, so we are going to put this on our bar. And I have an idea on how I want to wire this. Not sure if it's going to work, but once you have power and ground, it should work. So let's try my idea and see if we can get this to work the way I want to. And if not on the light bar, then on the side mirrors, because I do want some on the side mirrors as well. So let's see where it looks better, and we'll go from there.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict.
Alrighty guys, so here is what's going on. We are going to be working on the side mirror, and sorry for the noise every day because they are, I don't know how well you can see that in the glare, but they're doing some construction on the other end. So we're going to try to get this as clean without as much noise as possible. I wish they can stop. But anyway, we're going to be working on the side mirrors. We're installing the lights on the side mirrors because I felt like it didn't look right on the bar. Side mirrors is where I think I want to go. I actually did do it on the driver's side. That way I can get a gist of what has to go into it. So that way when I show you the passenger side, it's going to be clean B-roll clips. So let me show you the driver's side, which is over her. As you can see, the light's already mounted. It's on there. It's solid. It ain't going anywhere. I have the wires here. I'm gonna have to wire it up, but let me get on to the other side and then we'll do the wiring together. So let's get started. Let's roll that B-roll.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit.
Alrighty guys, so here is what we're gonna do. We ended up removing and disassembling our side mirror, so it's just an empty shell. We are gonna drill a hole into the side mirror, which is gonna hold up our spotlight. And I swear, every time I'm ready to talk into the camera, everyone decides to make a lot more noise. I don't know why, but they do this. I think they do it on purpose. But anyway, let us drill this hole, and that's what you're gonna see. So let's get this done.
I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even...
Now that we have our pilot hole, let's make it bigger.
In a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back.
So now what we're gonna do is drill a little pilot hole into our mirror so we can snake these wires in. That way we can extend the wires into our cab and get this thing all wired up. So let's get it.
I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes. I
Alrighty guys, so we are gonna head over to Walmart so we can go pick up some stuff. Let's head there now. Three right here. Woohoo! Yeah, no. We ain't paying that. No. I want something like $3. So let me look for Fram. 4. I forget which one it is. 8, 4, 3, 8, 6. Jesus Christ, boy. 4967, which should be the tracker filter, hopefully. 444. Lucky number. 2050, son. Alright, so someone made a choice between a bra or a battery. I think they made the right choice. I look like the guy from Little Nicky. So we are back from Walmart. Now let us hit up the rest of the service and try to get this tracker off-road. Let's get it.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts.
I can't see you there.
That's bright light. Nothing real that cold. Damn. Good boy. Look at the rest good now. I ain't gonna lie, I think looking bad though. Lights on. Okay, lights just stay on, I guess. Lights on. Just high beams. Do a little fanatic check. Okay, let's see what we got. I press in here. Ooh. Spotlights on. Side lights on. We should attempt to go up that hill there.
Go ahead, Alan.
Shit.
What you man?
Maybe we should have clean the windshield light. That was fun. That was fun. I think this is cheap. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of us fixing up the tracker and taking it out for a road test. The very next episode that you guys are going to see is us off-roading this finally for the very first time, which will be so cool. Obviously, I would like you guys to like this video. If you did, just hit that like button because it does help us in the YouTube algorithm to show our channel all over the place. Remember, we're a family. This channel is everyone's channel. So show it, show the love, and let us get more recognition out there that we need. Anyway, other than that guys, if you're not a subscriber, make sure that you hit the subscribe button because it does help the family grow. I can help so much other people and we can do so much cool projects like this. Lastly, if you have not visited kingcustoms.com, definitely visit it. We got some stickers out there that you can purchase to help support the channel, support your boy, so we can do builds like this, so we can do a lot more cool things. And definitely more merchandise to come, so keep your eyes peeled on the website. Trust me, you guys are going to know when it's there because I'm definitely going to be the first one to show you. So definitely keep your eyes peeled on the channel and on the website. But with all that being said, I hope you guys have a great one and thank you so much for watching the channel. Peace out, and we'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.